using a combination of Act on Track data as well as Salesforce data brought in as part of our already built integration to Salesforce. So just to explain on this, you've got the ability to allocate assets to a campaign. Within Salesforce, the campaign will be allocated to an opportunity. Ultimately, what we're doing is mixing those two together to form the revenue attribution report. So for all of those assets, what the Act on Tracking is going to be able to tell you is actually how many touches have contributed to those won deals. The Salesforce element is going to be able to put the value on that. So in terms of per asset, how much revenue is being generated both on a first touch, but also on a multi-touch basis as well. Now, in terms of the multi-touch basis, because we are looking at all touches within here, you might want to maybe start to allocate some assets a higher weighting in terms of revenue than others. So as you can see on here, you've got sliding scale. So rather than allocating the same amount of money to everything, you've got the ability to actually determine which weighting should go to which asset type. So a totally flexible model in terms of the revenue attribution, but ultimately either using the first touch or the multi-touch, so going to be able to start straight away looking at actually which of those assets are top performing, which of those assets aren't performing. If we're spending time and money on those assets, do we continue with them? Do we need to make changes to that marketing strategy in order to get better return on investment from those assets? But again, as with all of the reports we've been Act on, these are already built. We're going to provide them to you as part of that tracking and can then take advantage of all the information that we provide within.